Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're all about saving money and making the most of your income, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're going to share an incredible journey of how we managed to save a whopping $24,000 in just 7 months, all while relying on a single income. Yep, you heard that right. One income, big savings. Scene 1, setting the stage. It all started with a decision to take control of our finances. We knew it wouldn't be easy, but we were determined to make every penny count. We set up a budget, and boy, did it open our eyes to areas where we were overspending. From eating out less to planning our meals and using those valuable coupons, every little effort added up. Scene 2, cutting unnecessary costs. We dove headfirst into our monthly expenses and realized there were some real money drainers in our lives. That overpriced cable subscription? Gone. The unused gym membership? Cancelled. And don't even get me started on those daily fancy coffees. We found creative alternatives and managed to save big without sacrificing the things we love. Scene 3, embracing minimalism. Living with less was a game changer. We started decluttering our space, selling items we no longer needed, and embracing a more minimalist lifestyle. Not only did this free up physical space, but it also freed up mental space, allowing us to focus on what truly mattered. And guess what? The extra cash from selling our belongings boosted our savings even more. Scene 4, DIY and smart shopping. Who knew that DIY could be so rewarding? We tackled home projects ourselves, learning new skills along the way, and saving a ton in the process. Plus, we became pros at comparison shopping, hunting for the best deals both in store and online. Trust me, those discounts and cashback rewards really do add up. Scene 5, celebrating milestones. Every milestone deserved a celebration, and we found unique ways to have a blast without breaking the bank. From picnics in the park to movie nights at home, we proved that you can have an amazing time without splurging. It's all about the memories you create, not the money you spend. So there you have it, our incredible journey of how we saved $24,000 in just 7 months on one income. It wasn't always easy, but it was absolutely worth it. We hope our story inspires you to take charge of your finances and discover the power of intentional living. If we can do it, so can you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and inspiring stories. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay savvy and keep saving.